Hey guys, I wanted to show you a quick DIY on this beautiful tray. My daughter-in-law got me this tray a few years ago, and I wanted to be able to use it in other ways, so I did a little DIY on it, and now it gives me some options. And so let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's my beautiful tray, and let me show you here what this is. This is a placemat from Walmart for like maybe 98 cents. Okay, and this is the inside of the tray. It's a beautiful navy and brown check, and I love it so much, but I found myself only using it in the fall. Like, I wanted that to show in the fall time, and I thought, well, how, can I use this in other ways, put it out at other times of the year? And so I was just walking past the aisle that had the little end cap wire hanging container of these various placemats. It was a little too big, so I just cut it down, and it fits right in there perfectly. So this is the only one I have used, but I have two others that I bought later on thinking I would use to swap out, and I just haven't yet because this is so versatile. But I'm going to cut down the other two placemats, or at least one of them right now, to switch out with this one for a little more of a Valentine type look because it's red mainly. And so I will show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, here are the other two placemats. I have this one that says Farmer's Market, organically grown, all fresh produce, and I love the little gingham trim. This will be just perfect during the summer. It is not two-sided. It is just this side, which is so adorable. And then here's the other one. It's got a rooster, and it says grain and feed, established 1924. And I love the red stripes on the side. This one is also just one-sided. So I think this is the one I'm going for right now. I think I'm going to go ahead and just use my Gather placemat as a template, cut it down, and fit it in my tray, and I will show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, and here we have it, the finished product. I have trimmed the placemat down to fit just right inside, slipped it into the tray, and I think it is just adorable. So now I not only have the very cute farmhousey check pattern that originally is in the tray, I have the rooster, and I have the Gather that I showed you originally. And then for summertime, I'm going to use the Farmer's Market. Alright, just thought I'd show you this super quick. Cost me about $1. I think the placemat was maybe 98 cents, something like that. So what a fun way to kind of transform this tray into having multiple seasonal backgrounds. Thanks for watching, guys.